My SouFLoTV audience, congratulations are in order for Marvin the Beast and Nickeisha. If this story is true, if the story fake, you see, then I want to go cuss out the Star newspaper out of Jamaica because of them me I get this from. Well, the Star's printed today that dancehall's favorite contentious couple, Marvin the Beast and Nickeisha, are back at it again. Me I say back at what? A few months ago, the couple made headlines as they rekindled their love flame. And in the latest development, the lovebirds are expecting. Wait, before we get to the expecting part, let's talk about the rekindled part. So them got through a little roughness the other day, right? I mean, whose relationship is perfect? So Marvin and the Beast had supposedly broken up and him did go off with some girl named New York. But then there were other pictures of him with other girls and they were saying that him is just a man whore. Him there with one bag of girl, Pam poor Nickeisha. Even the one when he call himself again. Another famous IG star named Nickeisha, Yamhead, and the name seems to have stuck, right? So, Facebook hero. But anyway, people made fun of her and they're saying that she's an idiot, she's stupid and all these other things. Anyways, it went from that to them being apart or seeming like they were apart. Me look on the IG page, then Marvin wasn't promoting Nickeisha, Nickeisha wasn't promoting Marvin anymore. The little business with them have mashed up and broke down. Nobody couldn't see them together. Then out of the blue, they decided to rekindle, right? So now here we are at the rekindling part. It turns out that they are expecting. I'm feeling okay, feeling great. Nickeisha told the Star it wasn't planned. So they're having an unplanned baby, accident baby. But these things happen. It's just something that happened, she said. Nickeisha told the Star, confirming the news yesterday. While still available for public appearance and to perform her songs, Nickeisha says that she won't be taking dance bookings for a few months as she takes a break from the dance floor antics to keep off of her feet. Rightfully so, Nickeisha, if you are pregnant, I would like for you to stay away from the dance floor because I know why you got bunks the belly on the ground and mash up the baby. You know what I say? Both of you are very talented and I would like to see that baby come forward. Anyways, right now what I'm really following is the people that are following them on IG. And funny enough, it's funny how people follow you and have nothing good to say, but them still subscribe, them still log in on a daily basis just because you out or leave some bad comment on a daily basis. You know what I say? But you know how it goes already. They say that all comes with the fame before you even get the fortunes. So, big up to Marvin and big up to Nickeisha if this story is true. Congratulations, guys. That's what is in order from SouFLoTV. Anyway, Beeswick over at Instagram says Yamhead Jr. is on the way. But tell us that the name Yamhead stick. Wingy0914 says, so she pregnant for a married. Yes, married man. Until he stopped hiding from his wife and signed the papers. He is allegedly bisexual anyways. I guess all her dreams are coming true. Sorry or not. Not sorry. Now, people all in the people in business. You already call the man bisexual. Do you know anybody that is of the same sex as Marvin that he was with? But here you are with these kinds of a comment. Until him stop hiding and sign papers from him wife. How you know the man and him wife not signed papers already? And even if they haven't, why is it concerning to you? The only thing should be coming out of your mouth at this point is congratulations, guys. If two people happy together, make them stay. All when them a tear up each other, I feed them choice, right? Alright, that Jamaican girl said, alright, muscle dolly and ballerina body. Congrats to Uno and Yamhead Jr. So, God no. Alright, muscle dolly and ballerina body. Really and truly though. God no. Official later music says, shaking my head. Do you guys have any more stories like the guys saving the boys from the gully or bounty killer giving the hospital or something like that? Something, please. So she basically is saying that this is irrelevant news, should not have made it to the Star, and she's not interested. She's interested in real news or newsworthy things happening. What a lot of people don't understand about the Star newspaper, and I did not understand that at first. I thought they were a newspaper that was meant to bring about, like the Gleaner, right? A certain level of news. They're basically a tabloid paper, but they also bring across entertainment and serious news at the same time. So big up to the Star once again. Sensationalization sells, and this one definitely will. Straight King says congrats for them, but who gives a fuck? Alright. Chair Baby 876 says I think the Star should change their name to the mix-up paper. Kiss me teeth. Lady Charms says people need to understand that Jamaica. Alright, so Lady Charms is about to actually explain to them. I think people need to understand that the Jamaica Star is a tabloid newspaper. The sole purpose is to bring sensational stories to amuse its readers. Therefore, this headline should come as no surprise. Alright, now, and them kind of mix up comment here, me live for, cause hear this one you know. Evans 6828. Laugh out loud. The British polls has said 89% of man in Jamaica was pushed to go the other way and pushed to go with a woman because of the society. So you can have 10 picnic. That does not prove say you are no Batman. Batman they get picnic now. What sense, Marvin? Laugh out loud. And yes, that did plan, cause you could have breed that girl long time ago. Why now? You should have got picnic from the girl already. If you say you are gallus. Tom drunk, but Tom no fool. You can fool some people, but you can't fool all the people all the time. Why Marvin name? Always a come up in a Batman argument. Why? You ever ask yourself that question? Well, you say you get a youth now. It no born yet. It no born yet. Me I go see if your name still a go call up in a Batman life. You is a dancer. You a behave like you is a big entertainer like some of the artists in a Jamaica. One more last thing. That girl where you there with, she know nothing about a secret life. That's why the both of them stick to them one another. It's that simple. Now, in my opinion, a comment like that is dumb as hell. Entertaining to read on social media, yes, but dumb as hell. You over here talk about the British poll says that 89% of Jamaican men. The British poll can go third out under them mother. The British poll know about Jamaican man. British poll. Why for that one there? But Jamaican man, 89% was pushed the other way. So, in your opinion, then the British poll is right that 89% of Jamaican men are actually Batman and them get forced to be with women. And you are here, Evan6828, on social media, acting as if this is law and this is actually proven facts. Big up yourself here, every straight Jamaican man out of Jamaica. Hear me I say. Alright, Lady Charm says, am I the only one amused by this headline? Bouncing is right. Tommy Island Girl says, I don't get why this is making news. The Star needs some work to do. Do you know how many people die daily and it didn't even reach the news? Kiss me teeth, a waste of time this. And again, they're still looking for something serious from the Star other than talking about Marvin the Beast and Nickeisha. One more comment now. Hear what somebody said. If you have never met your father, do not leave any negative comment on this post. Hi! Congrats to you both babies. Babies are a blessing from God. And with that, I will go ahead and say this. Just like I started off the video by saying, a lot of people follow you on social media, right? I mean, I get to say as your fame grows, you're out here doing your thing, trying to be progressive and productive. What you're doing might not be their brand of entertainment or what them like. Because I know enough people when I like what Marvin do. Them say him look like monkey in a cage or monkey in the wild, or and them say Nickeisha look like muscle body and her face look tough and all these kinds of things. And I don't see any of that, right? Me follow the people them more time just to say big up to them because they are progressive and productive. And in an environment like what we come from in a Jamaica, where people are kill people just for nothing. And you have enough people sit on roadside now and do nothing. And here you have these two putting their talents to use. What more can we say or should say other than big up, and if them pregnant and them expecting a child, bless up. Not true? Talk to me in the comment section. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out.